morning. My name is Dr. Kristina Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor, and I am here with attorney
Kristina Dukas.
She is a personal injury attorney here in Atlanta, and she will be. When was the last time you were adjusted?
It's been at least 6 months.
It's been 6 months, so we're in for it today. So go ahead and lay on your stomach for me. So the lake, I haven't been to Lake Lanier. Next Gen, Jessica and them.
Yeah.
They've been inviting me to go. But every time I try to go, like the last time it was my son's birthday. Ticklish?
Yep.
Let me know if it's uncomfortable, okay? But I need to get out there. Last time I think Noah went. I was supposed to go February. So it was cold, but their cold weather isn't the same as our cold weather.
Yeah.
It's like you can be comfortable in Atlanta. That's just disrespectful sometimes. Any numbness or shooting pain going down your arms or legs?
Nope.
Alright, lift this one up first. Beautiful. And then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
Better.
Alright, do me a favor, drop your arms for me. You're gonna feel this bottom piece pop up. So you're just relax. A little bit of pressure and it's gonna drop. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Good. I love your shoes.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to bend your legs again.
Okay.
Just relax. Even. So you have a busy day today?
Yeah. Every day's busy. Today's not that bad though. I don't have any clients, so.
Look at that way for me.
Which way?
Over your shoulder.
Okay.
Deep breath in. All the way up. There we go. Flip over to the side. Busy, but if you have to leave the office, it gets a little bit more time consuming.
Yeah, exactly.
Straighten your bottom
Straight.
leg. And top. Okay. Just like that. Soft tug. Drop that shoulder. All right, deep breath in. All the way up. Lay on your stomach. Deep breath in. All the way up. Drop those shoulders, let it go. Pick your head straight back. Drop that right cheekbone. You're gonna feel a little pressure here and here, okay? Let it go. Good. All right, straight back. And left cheekbone. Good. Deep breath in. Let this arm fall to the ground. Let it go. Breathe out. Good. Laying back for me.
Like on my back. Yeah, all the time.
Sleeping okay?
Not lately because of my neck. Been killing me.
Drop this ear in my hand. Let that shoulder down. You pop your toes.
Yeah.
Relax that ankle. Let me have it. Any sinuses?
Mm-mm.
Good. In a minute, I'm gonna do your arms.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do your upper back. Good. When was the last time you stretched?
No, I just did weights this morning and then stretched. Trying to get back into my workout routine.
It's hard at first, but then once you get it, it's like, yeah.
Exactly.
Hard, Jim. I gotta relearn the weights. All right, we're gonna sit up on 3, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath in. All right, 1, 2, 3, out. Roll out. Down about 2 inches. Perfect. I'm gonna bring my arms through here, okay?
Okay.
Fall back. Just lay completely good. And a good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go.
That felt amazing.
Huh?
Felt amazing.
All right, one more time. All the way up. Look up to the ceiling for me.
Oh, that felt great.
Okay. Let's see, check out this here. Okay. Check out this one. Yep. All right. Whew. How do you feel?
Oh, way better. Oh, my neck. Could definitely tell the difference in my neck.
Good. Awesome.
Okay.